All right, are you looking for a big, bold, beautiful battle wagon type sports fisher like they don't make anymore? Then come with me for a quick walk around tour on HOSANNA. She's a 1991 47-foot Jersey, solidly built, and she's got a lot of family-friendly features also. She's well powered with twin Detroit diesel engines, has a massive generator, gorgeous teak interior, nice and luxurious, broad and beamy, lots of electronics. She's neat, clean, odor-free, very well maintained. So come with me as we explore HOSANNA here at South Mountain Yachts. Here we are starting off port side on HOSANNA. Just get a load of that East Coast flare right there. That'll keep that bow nice and dry, pushing the water out. Notice the height of the aluminum rail. This Jersey is an extremely solid boat. We're taking guesses on the thickness of the hull. Is it 6 inches of solid fiberglass or 8 inches? Anyways, coming down along the side, we see we've got grab rails above the window, and we've got a nice wide walk around also. The current owner has taken additional care, keeps the windscreen on there so the interior stays nice and fresh. We've got a hardtop on there, outriggers, 6 dBA antennas, so when you're out you can go far and chase those fish. Here at the cockpit, notice we've got some beautiful teak, and we currently have it set it up for entertainment. From here, let's go aboard. Here we are inside the cockpit. We see we've got it nicely set up for entertainment today. Beautiful teak furniture. People ask what back here. We've got a refrigerated, insulated box there. We've got a sink and a grill right here. So you can catch them, clean them, and cook them all without entering the cabin. To make docking easier, we have a lower station right here to make it easier just to dock your boat. Circling around, notice we have a classic teak floor here with a built-in transom bait tank right there. We enter the cabin through this center line bulkhead sliding door, and this gives us an overview of the interior. It's quite expansive. On the port side, we see we have L-shaped sofa, nice cocktail table, beautiful floor. It's in excellent condition. And then the starboard, we have some nice barrel chairs right here. A flat screen TV with built-in cabinetry right there. That's where the bar is. Moving forward, down a few steps, we have our galley, which is extremely well appointed. Starting off, we have a dishwasher, lots of counter space, large sink, dual burner electric stove, and microwave. And if you notice, we have lots of cabinets with almost a very large refrigerator right here. This gives us a nice view of the galley. Moving forward to port, we have our guest suite right here. We've got a hanging locker and storage and a guest head here, and you can see we've got a vacuum flush system and an overhead hatch. Now all these cabins have doors for privacy, which is extremely nice. As we go forward, here's the master suite. We have an oversized bed, lots of drawer storage underneath, and gunnel storage up above. The bed is almost 6.5 feet long, nice and comfortable and cozy. Circling around, we see more cabinetry. The woodwork on this Jersey is phenomenal. The panels are matched, and the whole boat is very rich. Another feature on this wood is it's carefree. Here's the master head right here, and if you notice, we have a shower stall right there. Nice and bright overhead hatch. The floor and wood is in impeccable condition on this vessel. She's also neat, clean, and odor-free, which is extremely important. From here, we're going to go to the bridge. Here we are at the bridge on Hosanna. You can see she's nice and spacious. Starting off here at the helm, we see we've got the destroyer wheel, throttles. We have a windlass line control right there, engine gauges, dual fuel flow scans, 5-inch compass. We repeat our gauges here for both motors. They have low hours. One's got about 350, the other has about 200 hours on it. We've got our Furuno radar, video sounder right there. Now up above, we have even more electronics. We have a new Garmin 740, another VHF radio, and more electronics over here. Very importantly, got a nice stereo. Got a solid hardtop on here and a great cage. We have lots of seating up here, so you're never alone. We've got seats here with storage underneath. We've got cowl storage right there. You can see the owner loves his boat. He's in the process of taking care of the varnish. This boat is owned by a true yachtsman who loves and cares for his vessels. This gives us a view of the bow. Notice how big and broad it is. You could have a party out there, or you can keep your dinghy and the couple kayaks, as you can see we have right there. We also have a lift, a davit lift right there. From here, we're going to explore the bow. Access to the bow is nice, relatively easy. Notice we have the oversized supports for those outriggers right there. Notice the classic swoop of the windows. We've got a grab rail here. Our footpath is probably 8 inches wide. Here at the bow, this gives us an idea of the expansiveness of this vessel. We've got a dinghy right there and kayaks. This gives you an idea of just how much space there is here. You can use this as entertainment. Fishermen, you could add another bait tank out here, fish from the bow. Ladies, put some chairs out here, barbecue, another area of use on the boat. Here we have the crane, and this gives us a shot of the bridge from yet a different angle. That gives us a quick view of HOSANNA. I pointed out the family features, fun features, and the fishing features. It's a big boat, well cared for, neat, clean, and odor-free, which is very important. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts.